Okay, everybody. I'm going to start this next. Um, I'm going to start this next section of the Ruby book. Um, yeah, I'm going to start this next section of the Ruby book, and let's see. Uh, let's see. Um, okay, so let's see. I'm going to. Uh, New text document. Okay, so I think we're still on. I just finished the quiz for the. I still finished the quiz for the. I just finished the quiz for the. Um I just finished the quiz for the. For the block each. I finished the block each quiz, and let's see. So this is going through a step by step sort of explanation for each of the sections. And yeah, so okay. All right, so pool puzzle. So okay. So let's see. Original length, I guess. Original length. Um, and you won't need to use all the synonyms. Okay, Douglas. So, original word blocks. Pig Latin word. Okay. Alright, so original length, and the next one will be new length. So that would be new length and words dot each words dot each do um do um do word. I don't know. And let's see, puts original word original word okay. So original length plus equals word dot length. Okay. Let's let's see. Plus pid Latin word equals uh, okay, first letter equals letters dot shift, right? Yeah, okay, so I understand. Letters equals word dot chars First letter equals letters dot shift. So shift would be to take the first letter off the word, and new word would equal letters dot join first letter dot and a. So puts pig Latin word equals pig Latin word hashtag new word. Let's see, yeah, new word. So new words. New length equals plus equals new word dot length. So total original length equals original length. Total equals new length. Okay. So P shrink. Oh no, I'm sorry. Pig Latin my words. Pig Latin my words. So Pig Latin my words. Okay, so basically there's this fill in the blanks type quiz, and yeah. So let's go to the next section. All right, let's go to the next section of this Ruby. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. 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 All right. Okay. Okay. So uh, basically, I was looking for a way to use blocks for multiple things instead of having a one function one block type thing, and uh, apparently there are ways to I guess this is just the postscript of the chapter that talks about blocks. Yeah. So it's got some bullet points and some information. Okay. Alright, alright. There are two ways to write write a block. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. So basically, it's giving me a preview of the next chapter, which it's giving me a preview of the next chapter in which um, uh, blocks will return a value now. Okay. Uh, so let's go ahead, double click that and file save as this PC C and okay, yeah, RB. Okay. All right. Okay, so there it is right there. So let's go to the next chapter. Okay, you've seen only a fraction of the power of blocks up until now. Okay, let's see. Alright, okay. Alright, you've seen only a fraction of the power of blocks up until now. The message has just been handing data off to a block and expecting the block to handle everything. Alright. Okay. Alright. Quite definitely. Alright. A movie studio, okay. Yeah. uh, uh, Alright. Click Duckling. Alright. Duckling. Alright. So. Duckling. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so. This is what I'm going to do. File. Save as. Reviews.txt. Duckling. So. Let me go ahead and copy all of this information. Okay. Normally, okay. Okay. These is okay. Truncated is funny. Alright. Colors sometimes. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Actually, I don't think, yeah, so, okay, so, I gotta change goal sign. Alright, so reviews, there. Alright, so, let me open this up and go to, local disk C, users, John J. Blocks return. Okay, so alright. So now I'm gonna go to blocks return. I'm gonna start entering in code. Okay. Okay, review file equals file.open reviews.txt. Alright. Okay, puts review file dot class. Okay, actually, before I do that, I'm gonna say puts review file. Alright, so blocks return. And input equals gets. Okay, file save. Alright, box return. Alright. So, yeah. I put the input equals get so it doesn't automatically close after it runs the program. So, it shows that I have a file. I have a file at this memory location, and it didn't show me a text file, but let's see. I don't know. Maybe if I put text. I don't know. Maybe that'll work. No, that doesn't work. Okay, so that's not. Okay. Alright, so. Alright. Puts review file dot class, which is file. Okay. Alright. Review file dot class is equal to file. Okay. Alright. So, puts review file dot class, and in case you didn't see that, if you put push review file dot class and you hit block return, it says file. It doesn't say the memory location anymore, it just says file. Okay, so now we're going to go back over here and we're going to say, okay, lines equals alright, so basically puts line 4, I'm sorry, is that supposed to be? Oh, okay, that's what happened. Yeah. So it's the array of lines is zero index. So if you want line 4, you need index 3, and if you want line 1, you need index 0. So anyway, this right here will read the lines of this text file, reviews.txt, and it will spit out. It will print each line that I want. using this hashtag curly brace. As a matter of fact, I'm supposed to put another curly brace at the end of that. Alright, so let's go ahead and block it out. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so line 4. Yeah, okay. So you see that normally we see that it is printing the first line, and so the fourth line has nothing, because apparently on the fourth line is blank. So I think every other line was blank in the original text file. So yeah, okay. So alright, so it's telling me to close the file. So view file dot close. Okay. So alright. So alright. Alright, so yeah. So it worked. So okay. I guess view file dot class. I'm not sure if that'll work. Puts review file dot class. Why don't I put, I don't know, status? I'm not sure if that'll work. Okay. Nope, that's not gonna work. Alright, why don't I put let's see if this thing actually closes lines. It might close the file. Well, because I did save it as a, well, I don't know. So it might close the file, and then and yeah. So let's see. Let's go on over here. See what that error was. Ruby blocks return .rb. Okay. Alright, so unterminated string meets end of file. Okay. Unterminated string. Okay, so that's what the problem was. Okay, so alright. So perhaps no, so I close the file. But in case you didn't know, the error that I had was that I forgot to put the quotation mark at the end of the line. So anyway, end the file. I'm sorry, I close the file. I close review file, and then but I'm still getting the same line number 1 at the end of this program. So I added line number 1 before I close the file, and I added line number 1 after I close the file. And it's the same thing for both. So even after you close the file, you can still access the contents of the file. And yeah, so that's good to know. Yeah, so I got the close. All right, so that's it for this video. Yeah, so I did a lot of different things. So I'm going to move on to the next section later on. All right, thanks a lot and goodbye.